Good morning, everyone. Welcome back for episode 10 of Koin News, where we update you with the latest Web3 activity. Before starting, make sure to visit coinact.com for all your NFT needs. Follow at coinact_now on Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the first news, Solana outperforms all other blockchains by far in DEX activity over the past month with 210 million transactions, 47.75 billion volume, and 11 million unique traders. Also, Solana surpassed all other chains combined in weekly NFT users at 130,000, equaling 55% of total users in all blockchains. Despite 3 months of sideways price action and consolidation, at least 5 on-chain indicators suggest that the bull market may just be getting started. Firstly, based on historical data, bull markets start with a high level of Bitcoin dominance, as most traders have already sold their altcoins during the bear. Then the next stage of the bull cycle begins, i.e. alt season, when Bitcoin dominance drops, but currently Bitcoin dominance is still high at 56%. Second, the Bitcoin market value to realized value Z-score, aka MVRV Z, which compares the market value to realized value, usually reaches 6 during cycle peaks but is currently less than 3. Third, the Puell Multiple, which is calculated by dividing the daily value of Bitcoin mined by the yearly moving average of that value, is below 1 and usually goes above 3 during cycle tops. Fourth, the hold waves chart, which shows the amount of Bitcoin in circulation grouped into different age bands such as days, months, and years, also looks bullish for Bitcoin. The current falloff in peaks in younger bands suggests that selling pressure has been exhausted and there could be room for more gains. Lastly, the miner revenue per hash, which shows how much money miners are making, also indicates the market hasn't topped. Note that a couple of on-chain metrics, such as the realized hold ratio and cumulative values days destroyed, have peaked, indicating the opposite, and markets are nearing the top. The Phantom Wallet app, which supports Solana, Ethereum, and Polygon, breaks into the top 3 utility app store apps in the US. The craze of Fantasy Top, a card trading game of Twitter influencers, has died down recently, with 89% of heroes down in price and 55% of heroes down more than 20%. Only 7 heroes had their prices increase. Pump.fun is a project on Solana that makes creating tokens with strong security measures affordable and simple, leading to loads of traction with daily revenue exceeding $1.2 million last week for them. However, it has been under the limelight after a former employee gained admin privileges and stole around 12,300 SOL, i.e. 1.9 million. The Pump.fun team paused trading and upgraded the contracts to stop further damage and promised to seed the liquidity pools of each affected coin with an equal or greater amount of SOL than was stolen. The exploiter was identified as Stack Overflow and later arrested by British law enforcement in London. For the last news, Pudgy toys are now available in GameStop, which coincidentally or purposefully was announced at the same time as the return of Roaring Kitty, who is the infamous Redditor credited with causing the spike in the GameStop's stock in late 2020 and also the previous week. Now that wraps up the news for today, and we appreciate you listening. Don't forget to follow at coinact_now on Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hope you have a great day, everyone.